Good evening to everybody, and this is Krati from Crandall University, New Brunswick, Moncton. As you know, New Brunswick is a eastern coastal area of Canada, which is near Quebec and above New York City, and we have a 2-hour flight from Toronto to Moncton. So here is my team members in Canada campus, which is Mr. Chris Robb, Senior Director of Enrollment, Mr. Tyler Stakely, who's working with me, Mr. Danny Brown, who's the Dean of International Academics Program, and Mr. Rahul Messi, who's the Procurement Student India Asia. So we as a team working here in India Asia with Rahul, and so the most important part, that why Canada, why Moncton, why Crandall, and what are our ethos, and some important information. And now over to you about the FAQs. So Canada, as you know, I should not, speak about that. That why Canada? Canada is obviously has a global reputation of quality education, safety, security, the system, the police, and that strong faculty members and everything. And if you talk about the quality education, if you talk about the competitive tuition fees, if you talk about the friendly and safe country and environment, as I just mentioned you, and Canada has the 10th largest economy of the world based on GDP. So yes, we are representing that country. And New Brunswick is a Atlantic province, and Moncton is rightly located at center, and where this Crandall is established. We were founded in 1949. So initially, it was a 8 baptism schools, and they merged together, and biblical schools, and they merged together and become a university. So this 5 years ago, we started this all secular programs, and we are really going good and getting good responses and getting good admissions, getting good scores, and these all kind of a variety of community, the different part of world students and aspirants coming to us, and they are taking all kind of knowledge. They are sharing all kind of gestures and cultures and cousins and everything. So it is very adoptive both ways. So Canada culture is very adoptive. They love immigrants, and it's not a problem in Canada. So where we have located, as I told you by my words, here is this the map, where you can exactly point out that this is Crandall, which is the eastern side, and which is near Quebec, above New York City, and rightly centrally located is Crandall University. Crandall University is in Moncton, and Moncton itself is a full of another amenities. Like, we have almost all kind of business hubs, all kind of companies, be it HR, marketing, finance, sales, your hello, hello, banking sector, everything. So why Moncton population is 1,800 stationary as of now. We do have a Greater Moncton International Airport too, so you can't go directly to the Moncton through India. You have to come down through Vancouver or Toronto. It's a hub maritime city, and it's an industrial province. You find all kind of industries, as I mentioned you just now, all kind of plethora of options for job, and all kind of variety of careers in the job market. We do have 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, winter. Yes, so minus would be -6 to 8, and a maximum in summers would be 22 degrees Celsius. We do have fall, but we do have shorter period of fall. So starts by December and ends by March end or April first week. Crandall University is small class size, We are the first university and the only university who's Oxford affiliated. We do have an Oxford tie-up since 25 years, and we have an exchange program with Oxford University for our undergrads program for our English language. So it's if one semester in Oxford is a completely life-changing moment for you, right? And it's a warm welcoming small communities over there. So there are possibly having a chances to settle down there because people are nice, jobs are there, PR possibilities are there. So these are the things are good. We do offer all certificates not for international student, but we do have undergrads and masters program for our international school student. As I told you, Crandall University initially was a biblical studies university, and it was a established college, and now by 1949 they established as a university. So it's completely sober, no alcohol, no smoke, no drug. It is completely free. Girls are feels really safe, and we do have a proper guarding system, security system for our students. Quality education we do have small class sizes, variety of careers we do have PNP options which is a government initiated program, and where you can explore your PR options in upcoming days. Like once you complete your graduation, your degree, and you're allowed to um, present your file in front of the CIC immigrant officer, and we do have a CIC immigrant officer within the campus university. So for any kind of reference, for any kind of PR possibilities, their paperwork formalities, you can get the assistance within the campus. Undergrads program, we do have Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Business, Bachelor of Science. We do have 4 years bachelor's, these three. Bachelor of Science we do have in only in bio. Bachelor of Business Administration we do have HR, Marketing, Business and Accounting, Finance. Bachelor of Arts we do have uh, English, History, Sociology and Psychology. The most sellable product right now we do have is Master of Organizational Management, which is a 1 year program with up to 3 year work permit, and the cost of this program is 24,950, all inclusive your textbook, your healthcare, your insurance, your international activity, facility access, tuition fees, everything. So whosoever is having plus 3 years of working experience, any background, any age, any backlog, anything, they can apply for this product, this program. The another program we do have Master of Management, which is a 2 year program with 3 year work permit. The Master of Organization is 1 year program. In 1 year, you'll be having 3 semesters, and up to 3 year, you'll be getting work permit. In Master of Management, you have 2 years. This program length of the program is 2 years, and 3 years is your work permit with an internship. So any fresher or experience can apply for Master of Management, but only experienced person who's having 3 years plus experience in industry, they can apply for Master of Organizational Management because it's an adult learning program. As I mentioned you, we do have English, History, Sociology, Psychology and Biblical Studies in Bachelor of Arts, and minor is Business Accounting, English Literature, Health Science, Human Behavior, Psychology and Biology, Sociology, Religious Studies and so on. The next program is Bachelor of Business Administration. We do have Accounting, Economics and Finance, Marketing and Management. Minor would be this. So any 12th person, 12th pass person who's maths is mandatory for BSc, for applying BSc and BBA. 60% and above, and IELTS will be needing 6.5 overall, not less than 6.0 in each category for all these three undergrads program. The Master of Organizational Management, experienced person we needed up to 3 years who's having experience, 3+ years. We are looking for the experienced person because we need 2 letter of references, resume and SOP to apply for this program apart from the set of documents. And The Master of Management fees is yearly fees is 17,000 Canadian dollar, and second year fees is $16 approximately Canadian dollar. All inclusive. This both masters is inclusive your textbook, your tuition fees, your facility access, your health insurance, and everything. The academic percentage is 60% and above from any background to apply the masters, and 6.5 not less than 6.0 in each category for IELTS. Any backlog, age, refusal cases can apply these two masters. We do have some goodies point like free airport pickup, orientation we do have here in India, so we can provide you all the information and your date of flight, and how you have to basically it's a Crandall tour in India to upcoming your future, where you can meet up your class fellows, where you can meet up your seniors, where you can meet up your university faculties, and access everything by helping of this pre-orientation program. We do have some good campus life like Crandall Association, Student Association, Student Society, Faith and Service. Sports we do have. We do have soccer, volleyball, football, basketball, cricket. Apart from IELTS, we are accepting TOEFL, paper-based 580, computer-based 236, internet-based 90. We are accepting PTE also 58 to 65 points. Because of this COVID issue, we were accepting Duolingo. So here also, if somebody wants to apply at a university level right now, the Duolingo requirement is 120 scores, not less than 105 in each category. And you can submit your application for January 2021 intake. This is the Duolingo criteria. Listening, reading, writing, and speaking. So like IELTS, you do have all 4 categories where you can cope up and take an admission. To apply, you know how to apply. This is our current job fair post. So you as much as a company, you can see it. We do have TD Canada Trust. We do have left corner up front. We do have RBC Royal Bank of Canada. We do have a lot many companies. Some Indian companies are also there, like Tech Mahindra, HCL. They have a hub offices over there, and they are also recruiting from us. This is our current cohort who just finished and got 100% placement. So right now we do have, as per my previous experience, we have almost 100% placement because province runs the job fair not once or twice, 3 to 4 times in a year, where student can get the platform at a provincial level to meet the employers at a provincial level, and they can take it ahead their career and future opportunities over the head. So any question, any queries you have, please ask me, and I'm really congratulating Study Metro to provide me this platform to initiate for this initiative also, and that every university institute is meeting up here and sharing their experience, thoughts, and it's a mixed combination that somebody from the different departments, somebody from the different country, somebody from different university, but all together at one place, and it's really good and fruitful for upcoming students. Thank you so much, guys.